Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. If you are new to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscribe button now and turn on your bells because we have so many videos that's dropping back to back to back on some Drake-ish. So yeah, go ahead and click that subscribe button now and turn on your bells because you do not want to miss anything new that I'm going to post. Now today, honey, I will be installing my custom-made wig on myself, and honey, we are doing inches today. And I'm actually gluing my wig. I know it's been a long time since I glued my wig on, but I am using the Bold Hold Extreme Cream today to secure the lace for my this is like my little Thanksgiving look. So video is late, but you guys still gonna get the point. Of course, it's a natural, no baby hair slay. Y'all know I'm not a fan of baby hairs like that. So just stay tuned for this video and watch me get to work. Now I did construct my wig using 4 bundles of 30H and about a 22 frontal, and this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me this hair the first time and I installed it on my celebrity client, a Cuban doll, and they sent me some more. So this time around I installed it on myself, but like I mentioned, I did make me a custom-made frontal wig. That way it was much easier for me instead of doing a frontal in bundles like quick weave on myself, because I honestly don't even wear bondings anymore, just strictly like wigs and stuff. So yeah, first things first, I did go ahead and clean my hairline with the alcohol. As you can see, I did not do a ball cap method for this look. I just pretty much pushed the cap back about 1 inch or so, and I'm going to cover that cap up anyway once I black spray and conceal the part, so you're not even going to see like the imprint of where that cap starts and everything like that. And as I mentioned, I will be using that Bold Hold Extreme Cream, but because this is like a temporary wear, I only used 2 layers of this Bold Hold glue, but I did do like a pretty wide layer for each layer that I did do. And I use that bed head extra hold holding spray till I give my wig like that extra security without having to use like the 3 to 5 or to 7 layers of this glue. So just pay attention to everything that I'm doing. When it comes to installing wigs on myself, I do the method a little bit different versus if I was installing on a client, because as I always mention, guys, it is extremely hard to install a wig on yourself versus a client that can help you, and assist you to hold down a lace in certain parts. But when you are doing it yourself, it is a little bit more difficult. So that's why I started to do the whole cut the lace into the 3 sections and try to work on each section one at a time. So you will see how I slid it and then I applied the glue, but I focused on like laying the glue down 1 section at a time and just getting everything tacked down. So you will see a lot of similar steps that I do in other videos, but I also did things kind of like out of order and different as far as in this video I'm doing it on myself. So as far as installing a client, you always want to do what works best for you. Maybe the way I did it this time may work better for you than the other ways I've showed you, but yeah, always do what's best for you. I'm just here to show you guys different techniques of how to achieve great results. So let me know what you guys think about this video. I will come back on, of course, and drop some jewels, but stay tuned. So the easiest thing for me to do was just like try to get all of that hair into that glue first, like that lace into that glue, and just try to comb it and get as much of that lace glued down as possible. and just pretty much blow dry it on that warm heat. And that way, when I start to cut off the extra lace, it will be, it won't be everything lifting or sliding back. Like, it would just still be some pieces lifting and everything like that. And I could have just went in with some more of that glue and just tacked it down. Now here you seen me like do a part sectioned off, and I had to cut off that extra, because the best thing you want to do to prevent like those little like lumps and stuff, because sometimes you can get little ripples in your lace, and that could be how the wig was made or how the frontal was made. And also because you didn't really follow the person's natural hairline when customizing the lace. So it's best that you try to cut that lace to match the person's hairline as best as possible. And that's why I went up a little more towards the center and cut off that extra lace so that my lace can lay down flat without those ripples. And so far, this is what the lace is looking like, and this is before I really even get it melted in. As you seen in the beginning, I did go in with that Ruby Kisses foundation and like attach the lace and everything like that. But I am almost getting to the point where I should soon be, tacking everything down and tying it down. But for right now, my focus is to get everything that's still lifting, laid down and everything like that. And I'm just going to use like the comb and, my fingertips to really melt that lace in. And I'm actually pushing the lace from back to front, and that will help you make sure that all of that lace is into that glue without anything, lifting around the edges. And yeah, just apply a little bit pressure and blow dry if necessary. It's already giving you very natural results without even me doing my complete meltdown. And this was actually transparent lace, guys. Transparent lace is the type of frontal that they sent me, a transparent lace frontal. So this is not HD lace or Swiss lace or anything. This is completely transparent, and that's why you want to use the closest shade to your skin tone as possible if you don't have the exact, and it would definitely blend with any skin tone as long as you are using the correct foundation or lace tint, everything like that. But this is something I did slightly differently. I tacked down one side completely, and now I'm going in with that bed head extra strength holding spray and just tapping that lace into that glue with my fingers. As I said, I will be using a comb and my fingers to really melt my lace in today. And once I finish blow drying that, I just comb their hair out a little bit so it's not hard. And I will go in with mousse later on in that video and just like comb the mousse at the edges, not really like applying it everywhere, and tacking it down with the melt belt, just going in right now just to make sure that lace is secured and it is not going anywhere. And basically what you do to one side, you already know you want to do it to the other side. So I will tack that down and then go in with that bed head extra strength and tack down those little lifting pieces and melt it in some more with my fingertips. So now that I've applied that bed head on that hairline and I tied it down, in the meantime, I'm just going to go in with my white stick and hot comb and just really get the roots to my wig nice, straight and pressed out. Flat iron my hair if needed or necessary, and just really trying to straighten up that part before I spray and conceal it so that everything is nice and neat. As I said, this will not be a baby hair installation video. It would just be like natural, fresh perm out the scalp type of tease. So that's the kind of look I was going for, just long, straight, silky, and natural looking. I really did not want like the exaggerated baby hair look, especially with this straight hair. Like I pretty much, honestly, sometimes I love baby hairs with straight hair, but sometimes if the hairline is very, very natural and the lace is like great quality, just let that lace just disappear into your skin and just give off the natural tea sometimes. Like that's the type of vibe that I be on when it comes to doing my own hair. But yeah, I'm just went in some more with that bed head and sprayed across the top just to get it nice and sleek with no flyaways and everything like that. And once I complete both sides, I will go ahead and remove that melt belt and go in with that mousse. And I just put the mousse like on the teeth of the comb and just combed it down, like combed the roots of my wig or like the hairline part, so it's no flakiness or anything like that. But stay tuned for the finishing results and let me know what you guys think at the end of this video. Because once I do remove that belt, all I have to do pretty much left is, like I said, to mousse the edges and black spray, conceal the part, and just a few basic little finishing touches that I did that I felt was necessary. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be quiet now and let you guys see what I'm doing, and just let me know down in the comments what you think about this install and this look. So yeah, stay tuned. Another thing that I did is I also went back in with that same foundation that was on the brush, and I just tapped my edges again just to make sure it was really like matching my skin tone, because I felt like it was a little light, like maybe I didn't add enough foundation at first. So I just went back in around the edges and tapped that. And now I'm going back in with that bedhead spray and using my fingertips to push that makeup and everything into my skin and that lace into my skin, so it don't have that makeup is on top of the lace look, just to get it super sleek and super melted and super like skin matching effect. So now I can leave you guys alone and let you guys can finally let me know what you think of the finishing look. I absolutely love this Beauty Forever hair. Like, absolutely love it. When I started on Cuban, she loved it as well. Like, this hair is super soft, super dope. So, yeah, see you guys next time and let me know what you think.